Hey guys, today we're gonna be looking at the skins that just came out. So let's just go right into our item shop. So here's our item shop. We can see all the skins that just came out. So let's go right into these guys and then we're gonna check out the other ones. So let's take a look at this pickaxe as well. Not a huge fan of the pickaxe, but it goes with the theme, so I can see that. And now let's take a look at the other guys that came out. Now this guy I'm a bit more of a fan of. It looks pretty cool. So I do like this skin as well, the Firewalker, for sure. Let's go back and let's take a look at this guy. Now I've seen this guy before. It's pretty funny. I do like funny skins, as you guys know. So I am kind of a fan of this because it looks so funny. Now let's take a look at the pickaxe. Pickaxe, yeah, it goes with the whole theme, so it does make sense. And last but not least, this skin. This skin I'm a little bit of a fan of. I do like the other one a little bit more because it's more funny, but yeah, this one has its serious take for sure. And if we take a look at the harvesting tool, it's pretty awesome actually. It's very well done. The crafting is really good. And the last harvesting tool that I want to show you guys is this guy, which I also like. I'm a fan of this harvesting tool for sure. Goes with the whole theme. And the very last skin that we're gonna take a look at is this one, which we've seen before a lot of times. But just wanted to show you guys, just in case you don't have enough V-Bucks, or for those of you who are fans, here it is. Other than that, that's it. That's all we got. We got 20 hours right now until the next item shop updates come up. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.